Okay, remember when we did his nose and we soaked some marker juice into it to make it harder? We're going to add just a couple of accents with that one of the same markers. I like on a Mink color bear, I like dark bark with the Copic markers, and you can tell I've used this one a lot. It's got a lot of marks on it. But I am going to use the fine tip side, and we're looking for those tear duct areas, and we're just going to dash just a tiny little just to add a little definition, just that much. And I'll do the same here. Now look at both sides. This one is a little longer than this one, so I'll add just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add just a little definition to his mouth. As I mentioned before, these are quality art markers. They're not Sharpies, they're not your usual kids markers. And now we need to heat set that. And we do that by getting just a hair dryer, put it on low heat, and wave it over for about 5 minutes. I won't bore you with that part on the video. Okay, now we have our bear back. And as you can see, when I added the shading, it's very subtle. You don't want to do heavy duty shading. It's just subtle to add a little depth to the face. Now on the mouth, I saw that I did a little more than I wanted to, but because it's on the fur, I can take my scissors and trim some of that off. Now I'm not trimming off the pearl cotton, I'm just taking a little bit of the pigment off, the fur with the pigment on. There we go. Okay, now we're ready to assemble our bear. And as you'll have noticed, I'm sure, he doesn't have ears. I like to put the ears on last because as the whole bear is sitting there, it's easier to attach the ears when the bear can sit up by himself.